Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Sarah binti Kamarul Baharum. My metric number is 08DEU20F2020. Today I will share how to install a circuit using Proteus app. We use this application to make sure all components are installed correctly before installing on the actual circuit to avoid component damage. Let's see the schematic circuit. Let me show to you guys how to installing a circuit by using Proteus application step by step. Okay, first of all, open Proteus application and click on new project. Fill in the project name, which is lab sheet 3 in the project name section. Then click next. After that, click on landscape A4 and click next. Choose do not create a PCB layout and next. Then choose no firmware and click next. Then choose schematic and click finish. Then click design and choose edit design properties. Enter the metric number in the revision section and the name in the auto section. And okay, my revision number is 08DEU20F2030 and my name is Siti Sarah. Then click at the white box to refresh. Okay. Choose selection mode and click add P symbol. Type component name such as V-sign, diode and resistor to insert the component into the circuit. Don't forget to rotate your resistor and diode just like the schematic diagram. Next, choose the terminal mode and put a ground symbol at our circuit. Then connect the wire according to the example circuit. Set the amplitude voltage equal to 12 volt and the frequency equal to 65 Hz on the V-sign component. Don't forget to set a resistance value which is 1 kilo ohm. Select the probe mode section and insert the two voltage component input and output and label it with the name V input and V output. Then select the graph mode and choose analog. Click on component analog analysis to set the stop time, which is 30 milliseconds. Drag the input component in the circuit and place in the analysis analog to obtain the input waveform. Repeat step 11 and 12 to obtain the output waveform. Lastly, choose File and select Save Project.